A pleasant day to all of you. Today, I will discuss data structures, file handling, and object oriented programming, which are important concepts in computer programming. These help computers organize data, save information, and make programs easier to understand. Data structure is a way of organizing and storing data so it can be used efficiently. It helps computers process information faster and in an organized manner. There are three types of data structure: the primitive, non primitive, and hash table. Primitive data structures store simple and single values. Examples include int, char, float, and boolean. These are the basic building blocks of data in programming. The next one is non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures store multiple values and more complex data. Examples include arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. They help organize large amount of data. The last is hash table. A hash table stores data using key value pairs. It allows fast searching, insertion, and deletion of data. It is commonly used in databases and applications. But before we proceed to the next, allow me to give an example. Here is a simple example of an array, which is a non-primitive data structure. Int numbers 3 is equal to 1, 2, and 3, and then semicolon. This stores multiple values in one variable. The next is the importance of data structure. So data structures are important because they help programs work faster, save memory, and manage large amounts of data efficiently. At this point, I will give a real-life example of data structure. A real-life example of data structure is a queue in a cafeteria. The first person in line is served first, which follows the FIFO rule, which is first in, first out. And now, let's move on to our next topic, the file handling. So, file handling is a process of creating, reading, writing, and saving data into files on a computer so the information is not lost. Now, I will give you the importance of file handling. So, file handling is important because it allows data to be stored permanently and reused later, even after the program is closed. The real-life analogy of file handling is a notebook is like a file. Writing notes is saving data, and reading notes is retrieving data. And now, let's move on to our last but not the least topic, the object-oriented programming or the OOP. So, object-oriented programming or OOP is a programming style that uses objects and classes to organize programs in a simple and reusable way. The real-life example of object-oriented programming is a car is an object. Its color and model are properties, while driving and stopping are methods. In conclusion, data structures organize data, file handling saves data, and OOP makes programming easier and more organized. These concepts are essential in modern programming. Thank you for staying tuned to my multimedia. I hope that you've gained new knowledge from me. Bye bye.